So to make the corn chowder, we're going to start off with, I've got about a tablespoon of light olive oil in my pan. So I've just got a soup pot here that will fit my ingredients. This recipe is going to serve 4 people. So I'm going to heat up my oil and then we're going to add onion and bacon. So I have 1 cup of chopped onion. That's about 1 large onion that I've just chopped. And I'm also going to add 2 rashers of bacon that I have finely chopped. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook these until the onion is translucent and the bacon is slightly crispy. So my camera died. What I did was I got the onion and bacon nice and translucent and a little bit browned up, and then I added 750 grams of potatoes and 2 cups of beef stock. You're just going to let it come to the boil and then simmer for 10 minutes, and once we've done that I will bring you back and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. The potatoes and stock and bacon and onion have now been simmering for 10 minutes. I'm going to get on to the last bit of this recipe, which is adding 1 full can, it's a 400 gram can of creamed corn. Now at this point the potatoes should be cooked. If it's not cooked, it's very, very close to being completely tender. And the last thing that I'm going to add is 1.5 cups of full cream milk. Now, at this stage, after we've added the milk, you don't want to boil the soup. You just want to keep it simmering, and we're going to simmer this for another 10 minutes just so it reduces a little bit more, all the flavors come together, and our potato is really, really tender. It'll start to fall apart, and that's going to give the soups a little bit of body, and it's going to thicken it up a little bit too without us using any type of flour or roux to get us there. So I'm gonna now that I've mixed everything in and combined it well, I'm gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes, and once we're done we will serve it up and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so our chowder is nicely cooked, the potatoes are tender, it tastes delicious. I'm gonna serve this up and sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley on top. Alright, so here we have a beautiful serving of corn chowder. I'm going to serve it up for dinner. I hope you make this, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you next time on Do It Frugal. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, all of the ingredients are down in the description box. I'll see you next time. Bye!